Have you ever noticed that when you go to bed hungry, you wake up feeling fine? But when you go to bed after a large meal, you wake up feeling starving. What? This is all because of hormones like insulin that keep your insulin high and your body deprived of energy, and therefore it can't burn fat for fuel. And your body's not going to burn more fat by eating more snacks and eating more frequently. How do I know this? Because I'm a type 2 diabetic in remission on a mission. So be sure to save and share this with someone you care about. Could just help their lives.